Welcome back to Vision Academy. In this tutorial, you are going to learn entering data and analyze and interpret data in a Spaces software for two sample t-test, that is independent t-test. So for that, let us know the assumption of two sample t-test. So the assumption is that the characteristic and study follows normal distribution. All the parametric tests must be normally distributed in both the population, and the sample that you the both two sample must be independent. There must not be any relationship between two sample. So that's another one assumption in this two sample t-test. Then let us consider a problem for this. Here it is a problem for our calculation today. So I am going little theory to practical, because it gives more and comprehension as per my understanding. So here in the 10 sample of pigs fed by diet A, the 10 sample is given here. Another 10 pigs are fed by diet B. Okay, they are assuming that gain in weights due to both foods follow normally distributed. First assumption is completed. So for this two types of diet food, we have to test that A and B differ significantly regarding their weight, increase in weight at 5% level of significance. For that, let us understand how to enter data for two sample t-test. So look at here, we have two types of diet food called A and B. So I will consider this the types of diet food and the weight gain to another entry in the Spaces software. So I will consider here types of diet food, diet, or else simply diet foods. Okay, so here in the label, types of diet foods. Okay, so in the types of diet foods, we have two types of diet foods as you see in here, diet A, diet B. I will enter that. First one, diet A, I will add it. Second one, diet B, I will add this too. So, and this is in the form of category. I will give measure as ordinal, and I will give one more enter one more thing here, that score respected for score, that is weights gain in weights. Okay, weight gain in weights, weight gain. Okay, I will give label to this, gain in weights. Okay, so and this is a scale data, and I will enter values here. Before entering values here, types of diet food, there are 10 types of diet A food, 10 types of diet B food. We have to enter that first. Okay, so 10 types of diet A. Diet A is 10 types. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And types diet B is 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we entered the types of diet foods, that is a diet A for 10 diet A type food, 10 diet B type food, and we have to enter respected weight here now. Respected weight, the 10 diet A food is the gain in weight is here. So I have entered that here. I will just copy and paste in a Spaces software to make it faster. Okay, so diet A 12, 8, 14, 16, 13, 12, 8, 14, 10, 9 respectively. So same thing I have taken 12, 8, 14 and something for diet A. In diet A I have considered that. For diet B I have to consider for diet B 14, 13, 12 and so on. I will copy that too. So and I will paste it here. So diet A food, diet B food we entered. So why I am doing this means you have two types of sample here. Simply you cannot take diet A and entering diet A and entering diet A square, diet B square, not like that. In the type of food there are two types of diet food, diet A and diet B, and respected weight gain also you should enter like this.